So this is my son and what he's doing, Damien. So who don't know Damien, this is Damien, my son Damien. And he just come around and decided to wash my car for me. So yeah, they give him a car a wash off.
Let's out the mirror, please.
He's saying gonna get a foam wash. You have to go near to it with that. You can't do it near to the rim.
We go around there, let's come back. We have something for your rim too, you know.
Oh. Today is a warm day. There's a lot going on today in this warm day.
This half a degree.
What's that? What's that is?
Build it.
Is that shine the tire as well?
Not just the rim.
Okay. This is a special day for me, getting a free car wash. When you have children and you decide to do something for you, that's wonderful.
This is not just any washing.
And any washing,
This is not just any wash.
special wash.
A special wash.
All right, you hear that? My son says not just any wash, it's a special wash. So my viewers, for you who remember Damien, this is Damien. My big giant son, bigger than me.
This is magic.
Oh, that is panel as well?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
This is magic.
oh.
This is magic.
Okay. Look at that, my viewers, my car sprayed on white car. My car's on white car.
Oh, you're putting Damien to work?
Even if that's my big son, this has to give me car wash. And this has to give my car.
That's nice though.
And this has to give my car a wash.
Brenda, why are you not doing the work?
You ever say him decide to do it? He offered to do it.
You see that video where they were having a rock climb?
He sent down for him yesterday. He sent down for him yesterday. He sent it yesterday. Wow, that's mine. But he bring this foam thing. You see it? What happened when if you don't open the car, it lock back itself? If you don't open the car door, it lock back itself.
At least it doesn't have to scrub it.
That machine, it wash it back off itself.
Maybe it's like back in the day.
That's what I used to wash. That's what I used to wash the driveway, you know. That's what I used to wash off the driveway.
What did you say, baby girl? That's the perfect day for that.
It is.
So you use the whole buckle on it.
It's not whole buckle, you just
Okay,
put however much you want and then you put
Ah.
water in.
You got the big guns as well.
I just help him to start a car wash business, but
Right, I just thought the same thing.
no, I did help him to start, but he never carry on with it.
Snow foam.
They're like a mobile car wash, but he never carry it on. He must wash about 3 or 4 cars and stuff.
Hey, Granda, when you come down to mine, can you bring that?
Bring what? You must be mad.
Come on,
You
Grandad.
must be mad.
I need to wash my bricks. Oh, why? Oh, you still got to wash
You
it.
don't have to.
Right.
This is a special.
Oh, look, he's giving you special care, Grandad. Come on now. Come on, it's because you cooked the fish for him, isn't it?
Come on, video him doing that. Let me go and look after the barbecue.
Oh, now you want to go look after the barbecue.
No,
No, because now it's burnt. No.
Look, I'm doing a car
No,
wash.
excuse
Do
me,
a car
too.
wash.
Thank you. Aye.
What can I try?
No, you need to go and try find some flip-flops.
Oh! Yeah, you're food.
You two get out of frame, please. Thank you. It's nice and cool at the front, isn't it? The back ain't got this coolness. It's alright, so if you don't sponge it, will it leave streaks?
No, because when you rinse it off, you're doing a shemai.
Oh. And then after you rinse it off, you're going to have to do like a wipe.
You just use the chamois thing and go over it.
Oh, okay.
That's what.
Close to you.
Because if you just rinse it and leave it, then it will leave streaks.
Yeah. I was thinking like a mirror. Ray, excuse me, please.
Close to you. Close to you. Ray, look.
Hey, go and tell me if our film started. So I can pause it. Did I not just speak to you? Did it?
Yeah.
Tell me which how it looks. What number is it? Is it the old one? Ugh. No one wants to watch that. Katie, we were waiting for Goosebumps.
I think.
Ray, go and get some flip-flops on, please. So then you can't pass the car.
Can I?
No. Although you have your flip-flops, well done. But it's wet.
Where did Brenda go?
Granda went to check the... Hey, go and see if there's chicken on the barbecue.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Then if it is, come back and tell me that the chicken's ready. Hey, babe.
My slippers.
Well done. Those are not yours.
Yeah, but this
Well done.
Now, how are you gonna wash this all off?
He's gonna use the shower hose.
Oh no!
Like the same thing he was just using.
So this is the animal thing. This is my
Yes, baby.
car.
Yes, honey.
This is my.
Oh, careful. That was so close.
Mum actually has a car. Yeah.
This one.
And even inside that has orange.
All right, do this. Yeah.
Come on, follow me.
No. Do this. Go and get me
Yeah.
my Coke, please.
Where is it?
I don't know. It's in a cup somewhere. Ray Shine, come here. I don't want you in the thing, Ray Ray. Oh, he's even doing the tires.
Yeah. Honestly, Mother, I don't know where.
Oh, mother. Oh gosh.
Honestly, Mother,
I know, but you're making me.
I did not know where your Coke is.
Okay, but the mother can stop, innit?
No, the mother can't.
Hello, Grandad.
Hello,
He's proper
Granddad.
doing the wheels.
Well, can I do it?
Nope.
Oh no. Time for the big guns. Time for the big guns.
The big guns.
The big guns. Oh.
There's the water. Go and stand on the other side. Go and stand on the other side. Go and stand. Go stand on the other side. Can you feel it? Hey, Granddad, I want to feel it quickly. Wait.
Oh, do it again.
One more, please.
When you go away, go away. Go away. Where's Nana? Where's, no, you tell me you're going to put your foot in that and then you're going to go inside with your shoes?
No, they're not. You're on the wrong blade. Just quit. Go, go. You're missing the splash. No, not that close. Get back. Thank you.
You're right.
You too.
The other day, me put on the wrong thing. I was washing the car, I put on the wrong hen. The one I was supposed to do the PV we used to washing the car. There's snow on the floor. There's snow on the floor.
Yeah, but you can see all the dirt in the sun. I was like, yeah, it needed it.
There's snow on the floor.
No, that was good.
Come back around the front. Come back around the front.
Oh, you two move.
Your little machine will take longer to wash this off.
This is for me.
What's toilet water? No.
You know, you're
that's
not-
why I tell you not to drink it.
You know, you're 90. And that's a 90.
Yes, it's my day robe. It's my day robe. See, it's just giving me some breeze.
It's day robe.
But it's nice and breezy on the front.
Yeah, yeah.
The back
It's
door-
getting cooler around the back now.
Is it?
Trust me, it's getting cooler around here now.
Where's Nana?
She up the top.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna go above Nana.
If she
No,
not
you're
up the
not.
top, but she probably in the kitchen doing some salad.
Oh!
I was right. I was right.
Let me help you with the salad. Did you offer the salad?
Can I hold it?
Yeah, you're gonna turn it all over the place.
Pardon?
You're gonna put it all over the place. Wow, look at the foam. It's like snow. Look at that, my viewers. It's like snow. Look at that. It's like snow on the
Yeah,
floor.
that's not.
Very shiny, can you come?
It's like snow. It's underneath the back. Underneath the back. There's soap underneath the back. Down underneath the bottom. Yeah, down underneath the bottom. Down there. Soap underneath it. And around the side as well. Around the side. Shine it up. It's like a mirror now.
We don't want no streak.
It's like a mirror. This guy with that's something and he can't ride it. This guy with this thing trying to ride it. This morning you want to see me go down the road with it like that. He can't manage it, I think.
Is it in the fast, you know? Some of them can go up to 30, 35 miles an hour.
Yeah? I think I would do better than for the first time I go up on it, I think I would do better than him. What's that? Where'd that come from?
If I tag a brand new one.
Oh. Yeah, the weather is calming down now. I did invite a Jamaican guy around, but he said somebody, he's a teacher, my new wife. But he said somebody invite him to Emma instead.
Thank you, Eliza.
You're welcome, enjoy, man.
You shouldn't be giving your food to drink away.
What's that?
You shouldn't be giving it away.
We have loads of food.
Oh, thank
It's barbecue day. All right. There's Guinness sponge in the refrigerator. Yeah? That's soap. This. Soap. These flies, they get on my nerves, man. Some of you have seen my son come and give me a nice clean car wash foam. My garden look like snowfall. Like snowfall. But there's no snow, it's just my son give me a nice foam car wash. You look at that, my viewers. Clean and nice and pretty. Yeah, that's my son's job. But the roof they need clean off as well. But it's alright. Hello.